This is my review of this Airbnb cooking class. You found it under this name on Airbnb in the city of Fès in Morocco. It was a fantastic experience. It's a local family, the mom who cooks and the son kind of manage everything. It was a really good experience. Their home is not that far from the Medina. With a taxi is like 10 minutes, and then he also, when you book it, he sends you the all the information, address and everything. So it was very easy to find it. When I got there with a taxi, the son, he was already waiting for me. So, and then he walked me to the home. So it was no hassle, very easy, straightforward to get there. And the food was amazing. It was really good. We made two dishes. One was the what do they call it? Cusco? I forgot. Yeah, that one. And then tagine. And they were really good. They send you the menu and ask you what you want to learn, and then you can pick. And then we cooked together. But the food was so good, and the family are very kind people. So if you really want to go to a Moroccan home, to a real home, instead of those cooking classes which are in a restaurant, this was much better experience. It's very authentic and just a nice dinner to have with a local family. The next day, I went to visit this tannery. This is one of the biggest tanneries, which was built in the 12th century, and they still is a working tannery. So you see people who are working there. That's how they color the fabrics and the leather. When you get here, there's a strongest smell because of these paints, which is all from natural ingredients. So they give you fresh mint. You can smell the fresh mint, so not really smell the strong odor. But it's really nice and picturesque. And it's better to go with a guide, because the Medina of Fez, if you go by yourself, there people try to pull you to their shops and kind of harass you to buy things, and it does not become a very good experience. Yeah, that was the mint they gave me to smell it. And then, but if you go with a guide, it's a totally different experience. On Airbnb, there are a few posts that I saw that the guides who take you to the Medina. This is one of the spice shops. I wanted to buy saffron. The saffron in Morocco is really high quality. It's a better quality than the saffron from Spain. So if you need a spice, it's good to buy it here. But it's good to know the prices. Ask the locals, for example, what is the highest quality of saffron per gram. So you know the price, because even the spice shops, they try to sell you things 3 times, 4 times more, and you have to haggle. So if you know the price in advance, then you will just pay the actual price, and you don't go for whatever they're telling you to pay. Because for the saffron, the highest quality, I asked a few locals, and they told me it shouldn't be more than 30 dirham per gram. For per gram, it shouldn't be 30 dirham, which is $3. But if you just walk to the shops, they start from 120, which is like 4 times more. They ask you for $12. They tell you the price is $12 per gram, which is totally, it's just that's the way in Morocco they do business. So you need to haggle. Oh, it's a model. Ah.
Camel has two hands. We have only one hand. Assalamu alaikum. Oui.
For the cooking class, this is also the Instagram address of the family who arranged the cooking class, that their son. You can directly contact him through Insta as well.